Hey, how you doing? I am Derek, also known as the Pirate King. Welcome here. I've been building pirate ships and other creative things out of wood for over 18 years and counting. And I travel all over the country in the US and also throughout the world building these custom structures for families, for businesses, for communities, for restaurants, you name it. I've built a pirate ship there. On this channel, I want to teach you how to do some of the same things that I do. I also want to show you the process on how we come to your property and we build everything by hand on site. On my channel, The Pirate King, you'll follow me to some of my job sites and you'll find out how I do what I do, some of the problems I overcome, and you'll find out some of the methods that I used over these many years. And whether you want to build your own or whether you want to have us come to you and build one for you, we're here for you. I started this business a long time ago, and to be honest, I did not know what I was doing and I was pretty scared. But I stuck with it, I did the hard work, and I just know that you can do the very same thing with whatever passion or whatever talents or skills that God has given you in your life. We also love to give back. Several times we've raised money privately and we've come to the home of a family or child who's deserving and who has been a hero in people's lives, and we've surprised them with their very own pirate ship that they can play on for the rest of their life. Some places that we plan on visiting very soon are the Bahamas, Costa Rica, Belize, South Africa, UAE, and Saudi Arabia. We're going to be heading to Morocco in February, Spain, Portugal, even Sri Lanka, India. It doesn't matter where you live or where you're from. When you've got a pirate ship in your backyard, the imagination runs wild. And one of our favorite things to see is families coming back together in their backyard. Glad you're here hanging out with me, and Pirata Arriba, pirate up.